Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. In this video, we will learn how to make a hanging planter using macrame. To get started, you would require around 25 meters of cotton macrame yarn, a planter which has 4 holes on the top, a wooden ring, measuring tape and scissors. All of these materials are also available as a DIY kit on my website. I've linked it in the description box below. You can also avail a 10% discount using the coupon code below. Now let's get started. To start, cut your yarn into 8 pieces of 280 cm and 2 pieces of 100 cm. Now take your 8 280 cm cords and insert it through the wooden loop. Adjust the yarn so that they are hanging at the center, as you can see here. For the next step, we are going to tie a gathering knot. To tie a gathering knot, take your 100 cm cord and make a loop around the center cords as you see here. Now wrap the loose end of the knot around the center knots, holding it tight. Keep going till you have about 10 wraps or as long as your cord is. You should still be able to see the top and the bottom loop while making the wraps. Once you reach the end of the cord, take it out through the loop. Now pull sharply from both the edges. Your knot should now be inside the wraps. Adjust the knot slightly and then clip off the edges. For the next step, divide your 16 hanging cords into 4 groups of 4 cords each. Make sure that the grouping is done in such a way that the cords close to each other are in one group. Now let us make a square knot. To make a square knot, take the leftmost cord and put it on top of the center 2 cords. Your right cord should come on top of your left cord. Now take the right yarn and cross it behind the center yarns and out through the left yarn. Pull the knots from the sides to tighten it. This will complete one half of your square knot. Now repeat the same steps from the other side to complete the knot. I would recommend sitting down on a desk and holding down the knots properly while you do it yourself. I did it this way just to show it to you. Keep going till you have about 10 cm of square knots. Once you are done with the first group, repeat the same for the other 3 groups. Now measure around 7 cm down to make a variation of the square knot. To make a variation of the square knot, repeat the same steps as above, but only do it from a single side. This will make your knot spiral. As you can see, I am only knotting from the left side here. Keep going and you will have these pretty little spirals. We need around 10 centimeters for each group. Now that we're done with the top half of the knotting, let us insert the cords through the planter. Take one group and twist all the cords together. Try to push them out through one hole of the planter. This might require a little bit of muscle, but you will be able to do it. Once you get the hang of it, it should be pretty easy. Make sure you pull all the cords out and they are of an equal length from the top. We are now quite close to finishing the planter. Hang the planter and make sure it is leveled. Bring all the 4 groups at the center and tie another gathering knot. If you find that a few cords are short, you can take some extra length from the bottom, tie them with the shorter cord and cover it with a gathering knot. I like to make around 10 wraps, but you can do it according to your aesthetics. Once your gathering knot is done, clip away the extra cords and trim the bottom. And that's it, you're done. This hanging planter looks even better with a dangly plant. I hope you liked today's video and you would try this wooden macrame planter for yourself. Be sure to check out the links in the description box below. I would love to see your creation, so do tag me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is tangytinge. Bye you guys, see you later.